there, aren't they? Holy moly!
Wait, I can smell him around here. Is that what I think it is? Player's hand mirror? I found you, but his smell.
Finally safe. Holy moly. What was that?
Player's making me rich! After patenting his image, the fans bought all the merchandising, filling my pockets.
What?
I'm taking a week off. Huh? What happened? Is that you, Player?
You earned all that money at the expense of me!
No, this is a misunderstanding. Whoa!
I'll end you, you cat traitor!
No, please, don't hurt me. My apologies.
You should have thought of that before betraying me!
I regret all this, I swear!
Well, I don't know if I can blame you if you're sorry.
Oh, really?
Yeah, everyone needs a second chance.
You fool! What?
But I just spared you!
Hey, everyone, here's Player himself!
What are you doing? Shut your mouth!
Is that true? He found it!
Holy cow! I have no time for this.
I won again. If you excuse me, $80 for the official tee.
Give me 10!
Absolutely! Come back soon, darling! Player is still feeling my pockets.